Hello and welcome to our weekly question time. We've got our star of the week and our superhero of the week. Good morning, you two. And what class are you from?
F2.
The F2 Barn Owls. What's your favourite thing about being in that class?
I don't know.
What do you like the best?
Snack.
Eating snack
I like eating bagels.
and eating bagels. Okay, why are they your favourite parts of the day?
Because I like them.
And what about you? Why is that your favourite?
Because it's fruit at home.
Because you have the fruit as well at home. Lovely. Next question then. What is your favourite food? What do you like to eat the best?
Ham sandwich.
Ham sandwich. Why do you like a ham sandwich the most? Out of everything in the world, a ham sandwich.
Because they have it at school.
Because you like the one we have at school? Yeah, lovely. What's your favourite food in the whole wide world?
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't like eating anything?
Apart from bagels.
Bagels. So are bagels your favourite food ever?
Yes.
Better than McDonald's?
Chocolate fever. You just eat normal food.
Okay. Do you like bagels better than McDonald's?
McDonald's and bagels.
McDonald's and bagels. I thought as much. What's your favourite song? What music do you like?
I'm a baby shark.
Baby Shark. Oh, I've not heard that in a little while. Do you want to sing some for us? Go for it.
Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark. Let's do grandma shark.
I think that's fantastic singing. What do you reckon? Yes, fantastic. Well done. Have you got a favourite song?
School.
School?
Yes.
A song you've sang at school?
Yes.
Which one? What's your favourite?
Colours of the rainbow. Colours of the rainbow.
Okay, do you want to sing us some of it?
Colours of the rainbow.
Do you want to sing us some of your song that you like?
Yes.
Go for it.
Colours of the rainbow.
Well, fantastic. Is that the one that you're doing for the Easter assembly? Yep, so everyone will be able to see it during the Easter assembly, won't they?
That's what you do. You just don't say that. You just sing the song.
That's the one you've got for Easter though, isn't it? When you're waving the things around. Is that not the same song?
No.
No? Oh, I thought it was.
Sing it. You just sing it.
I gathered. That's what you do with songs. Anyway, would you rather be a dinosaur for the day or a big blue whale?
A T-Rex.
Okay, why?
I'd eat the school.
Why would you eat this beautiful school?
I'll be a princess. I'll be you out.
What?
I will be the princess.
Why would you want to destroy our school?
No one to be Sonic.
That's not an option. Dinosaur or whale? And you said dinosaur.
Big whale.
Now you changed it to a whale. What would you do if you were a whale? What would you do if you were a whale? Where would you go?
I could put a whale on the. I'd put the school on the sea.
You'd put this school under the sea?
Yeah.
What a strange thing for a whale to do. And what about you? Whale or dinosaur?
A princess.
Whale or dinosaur?
Whale.
Okay. What would you do if you were a whale?
A splash.
You'd splash everyone, would you? With that great big huge tail.
Yeah, you do like this.
Oh, that would make such a huge splash.
I would get upside down.
And you'd go upside down, would you? Okay, interesting choices, guys. What's your favourite game to play? It can be a computer game, a game you play with your friends, any game.
Minecraft.
Okay, what do you do on Minecraft?
Play one block survival.
Okay, so you play the survival mode. Is that the one with the creepers?
It's one block survival.
Okay.
It's
tell me
on
more.
one block.
Okay. And what do you do with it?
You mine it and then it comes back. And if you're looking at chest, there's gonna be enchantment book what says One Block Survival.
Okay, I've not seen that one. What's your favourite game? Playing with Easton, and what game do you like to play with Easton?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. That's a classic, that one. Do you know how to play that one?
Yeah.
Do you two want a game of it now, see who wins?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot.
That's not the shooting.
You
can either pick
Shoot.
Ah, well done. Fantastic game, guys. Now, if I gave you £1 million right now, which is a lot of money, what are you going to do with it?
Buy something.
Yeah, what?
A Minecraft toy.
So the first thing you'd buy is a Minecraft toy. What toy would you get?
I'll be Alex.
Okay, what would you do with it?
Play with it.
Would you get more and more, or just the one?
Wait, no, not Alex. Not that Alex. We should get and more obsidian, more obsidian, more obsidian.
That's a lot of obsidian.
I can make it go to the nether.
Okay, interesting. What are you doing with £1 million?
Play with the fairy.
You get some fairies. What would you dress up as a fairy and play fairies? You want to fly? That'd be lovely, wouldn't it, to be able to do? Good choice. Where would you fly to?
The moon.
Fly to the moon, okay. A fairy flying to the moon.
Guys, just keep on flipping.
My next question is my last question. If Mrs. Lambert said we can have a new school pet, what animal would you pick? A school dinosaur?
A school T-Rex.
Oh my word!
No,
Why would you pick them as a school pet?
No, a school whale.
Hold on, I'm going with the dinosaur first. What would you do with it?
Just crash everyone.
Oh no! You just want to destroy it all, don't you?
I would build it without a Lego.
I'm so confused right
I'll
now.
be a builder and rebuild the whole school.
Okay, that'd be great. But what school pet would you pick?
Wolf.
A school wolf?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you think that would be a safe choice?
Yeah, to bite. Yeah.
To bite me?
Yes.
Why?
Hundreds of a billion wolves.
Why?
Because I'll do it. I'll add some in my classroom.
You want some in your classroom as well?
Yeah,
Okay.
everywhere. But apart from the home.
Okay. I've only got one last thing for you to do, guys. Show me your silliest face and say goodbye to these people watching. Ugh.